Transform your car into a campsite in minutes. This car awning is the coolest, lightest, and such a perfect camping or travel item. It's light, easy to install, and I highly recommend this one from 3D Match USA. I'm going to show you how to install it. Now, I'm not a pro, so we're going to install this together and figure it out as we go along. If you haven't yet, please hit that like and subscribe, and let's go. So our family loves camping. We haven't really done camping before, so it's not like as if we've been doing this forever, but we have started recently, and it's been such an eye-opener. Camping gives family time to spend quality time together and not be on our phone and be distracted with technology. It also kind of heals the human soul. I mean, I feel relaxed, rested, being away from the busy computerized world that we live in. I highly recommend camping if you haven't done yet. This car awning from 3D Match USA is high quality. It easily attaches to your roof rack, and you can pop out the awning very easily and even put it away in a very short amount of time. Number 1, the car awning provides you shade and shelter from the sun and rain, keeping you dry and cool. Number 2, versatility. It can be used for any outdoor activities like camping, picnicking, tailgating, or at the beach. Number 3, this car awning is easy to set up. You can just leave it on your roof rack if you are an outdoor person, and can easily be stored away with its thin and compact case that it comes with. You don't need any additional tools. It even comes with a little tiny hammer for you to hammer down the spikes. I'll have the discount code and link for this car awning from 3D Match USA below. This awesome portable wheel table from 3D Match USA is what you need to have an instant table that's easy to set up and tear down, and it's very light and mobile. You don't need any tools to set up. It's made of carbon steel, double layered paint, and it's rust proof. It's super easy to set up. You can cook and eat on this table, but just make sure that you don't have the flames too close to the gas area, just to be safe. It's a perfect additional set to your camping with your car experience. I don't know too much about camping, but it's amazing that you could actually use your car for camping. I thought that you might have to own a trailer or tow a trailer or an RV to really camp with your car. I'm learning with this equipment that you really could just camp with any car. I have a Pathfinder SUV, and you can use this for camping. Anybody with a car can go camping with their vehicle. Extend your table space with this hanging caddy. It easily holds bottles, cans, and small accessories. It's heavy duty and made of water repellent nylon. It's stain resistant and easy to clean. Just flush it down with water and let it dry. It's very lightweight and portable and just folds away. It works perfectly together with a 3D Match USA foldable wheel table. I'll have the discount code and link below, and if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support. This awesome in-the-trunk storage is perfect to organize your trunk space. It unfolds and folds very easily. It's so easy to set up, you just zip it up, and it folds away very easily too. It's very durable and lightweight and made of water-repellent polyester material. Very easy to clean. Just wipe it down or even just run it through the water hose and let it dry. The material is very flexible, and when you collapse it to put it away, it flattens so it doesn't take up much space at all. I'm going to put the discount code and link below, so definitely check it out if you're looking for a cool, portable, lightweight storage for your trunk, for any car. It's such a great organizer. It doesn't even have to be for your car. You could even just use it as a little storage container for your personal belongings.